विवेकानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूं। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Los Angeles. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, Nityananda Vedic Temple and Nityananda Vedic University in Los Angeles is celebrating the Hinduism Awareness Month. Actually, California government has declared this month as a Hinduism Awareness Month. So, Los Angeles Nityananda Vedic Temple and Nityananda University jointly distributed free Bhagavad Gita books and continuing to do this service, especially this month. And today they have a Hindu open house celebration. I welcome all of you for the Hindu open house celebration. And I also welcome all the special guests. Before I mention about all the special guests in Los Angeles, first I wanted to welcome the special guest I have in Bididi, Swamiji Sri 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 Jnanaprahasa Desika Paramacharya Swami from Tondemandala Adinam. Swamiji is here again, today gracing our satsang. I welcome Swamiji first for gracing this occasion. As you all may be aware, Tondemandala Adinam is one of the oldest Adinam. Swamiji is 232nd Guru Maha Sannidhanam of the Adinam. This Adinam is older than Shankaramat, established in Kanchipuram. Swamiji is here. First I welcome Swamiji. And then now I move on to Los Angeles to welcome all the special guests. First, Mr. Avadesh Agarwal and Uma Agarwal, thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. I welcome both of you. and I also wanted to remember, taking this moment, now the Los Angeles temple is still running because of the big support by Avadesh Agarwal. See, many devotees stood by us. I can name every devotee who is there now. Pankaj, every name I can name. And Abhinav, I cannot miss a single name. But Avadesh stood with us in a very big way. People do not know the way he stood with us, especially during the moments of crisis, when some of the anti-Hindu forces, anti-spiritual elements are trying to shut down the temple. Avadesh Agarwalji stood with us, and he should be really honored today. And I wanted to remember his contribution for keeping this temple alive. And I wanted to sincerely thank on behalf of me and the whole Nityananda Sangha. And I also bless Mr. Amit Pathak, who is an environmental engineer by profession and also works with Indo-American Foundation. Thank you for being here. I really thank and give my respects for you being here. And I bless all the devotees who are there for the event. Thank you for being here to celebrate the Hindu Awareness Month. And Los Angeles Temple has taken up the responsibility of distributing 5,000 Bhagavad Gita books as the first step today. And I already requested the Los Angeles Nityananda Vedic Temple and Nityananda University to take up the project of distributing 1 million Bhagavad Gita books. So today as the first step, they are starting with 5,000 Bhagavad Gita books. And I would also like to request the Los Angeles sannyasis, Pidadishwars, please give the first book to Avadesh Agarwal ji on behalf of me now. The first book is given to Avadesh ji on behalf of me and Nityananda Vedic Temple and Nityananda Sangha. Thank you, Avadesh ji. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Uma. Thank you. And the next book, Mr. Amit Pathak. Thank you. And thank you, Amit ji. I really wanted this distributing the books, Bhagavad Gita, freely all over the world to happen. Today, we inaugurated the festival by distributing the first books to Avadesh ji and Amit Pathak ji. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And I also request the Los Angeles Pidadishwars, please distribute Bhagavad Gita books to all the devotees who have come here, gathered, and all the devotees, all the visitors should receive the Bhagavad Gita book. And today, as the inauguration ceremony, even in Bidadi, all the devotees, visitors will receive Bhagavad Gita book. It's beautiful. And I also wanted to tell the Enriching Temple, today whoever calls you, send them free Bhagavad Gita book. Ship them free Bhagavad Gita book. Enriching Temple, today whoever makes the call, please send them the free Bhagavad Gita book. I request all the visitors, viewers through all the news channels now who are watching this satsang live, please send a missed call. Just give a missed call to the number in your screen. You will receive free Bhagavad Gita book. And I also wanted to sincerely remember all the contribution of each and every devotee who is sitting now in the Los Angeles temple. I tell you all, I am really proud of all of you. All of you are warriors standing up for Hinduism. I know how each one of you stood, and you are all really worthy of celebrating Hindu Awareness Month, Hindu Awareness Program. I also request the Los Angeles Temple Administration and Pidadishwars, please send Bhagavad Gita to all the California government officials, governor, and all the officials. It's my humble request. I think you should take up this responsibility of sending all the senators and all the political figures in US. And in US also, if you give a missed call to 510-813-6474, you will receive Bhagavad Gita book freely. This is the message from San Jose Temple, which is the other part of the California. So, if you give a missed call to 510-813-6474, you will receive Bhagavad Gita book freely. Thank you, Snehamayi, for taking up. And this Bhagavad Gita book is the complete essence of Hinduism. This book is the essence of Hinduism. Whatever best things Hinduism has is collected and compiled in this one book, Bhagavad Gita, by the greatest incarnation of the planet Earth, Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna has compiled everything possible in this one Bhagavad Gita, and it's so beautiful. Even to read, it is really nectar. Really nectar. And I also wanted to share a beautiful, very important information with all of you. The original manuscript of Bhagavad Gita, the oldest manuscript of Bhagavad Gita available, which is believed handwritten by Sri Krishna. But one thing I can be sure, this is the oldest manuscript available, around 2,000 to 3,000 years old manuscript is with Mahanirvani Akada. From this manuscript only, the first printed version of Bhagavad Gita, means in the paper, is done from this original manuscript. It is with us, it is with our Akada. We have built a beautiful temple called Gita Mandir in Haridwar. Huge temple, where in the stone the whole Bhagavad Gita is carved. In the temple, the original manuscript is preserved. So in a way, we are the copyright holders of Bhagavad Gita. In a way, our Akada is the copyright holders of Bhagavad Gita. I'm so happy. Of course, no one can own copyright of Bhagavad Gita. It belongs to the whole world. I can say that there is the oldest manuscript available. Bhagavad Gita with a Gita temple, Gita Mandir. Great. I'm so happy that we are celebrating Hinduism Awareness Month in California. I also sincerely thank California government for declaring this whole October month as Hinduism Awareness Month. And I request the Los Angeles Pidadishwaris and Pidadishwas, the whole California sannyasis, to send a gratitude memorandum to the California government on behalf of Nityananda Hindu Sangha and Nityananda Sangha, and on behalf of me, thanking them that they declared this month as Hinduism Awareness Month. And I also wanted all the devotees to sign in that memorandum and send this gratitude letter to them for sincerely thanking, for declaring this one month as a Hinduism Awareness Month. We need this especially in California, where so much of misinformation is spread about Hinduism. It is a time we need to spread the right information. We need to introduce ourselves properly to the mainstream American society. I'm really happy celebrating this whole month. And I also announce one more thing. Anybody who owns hotels, motels, restaurants, resorts, if you send a request today, we will give you free Bhagavad Gita book for all your rooms. If you have 1,000 rooms in your hotel, motel, resort, we will give 1,000 Bhagavad Gita copy freely. You can keep it in all the rooms. People can read. If they want to pick up, they can pick up. We will replace it. And now, in India, I am giving the first copy to Srila Sri Guru Maha Sannidhanam of Tondemandala Adinam, Jnana Prakasa Desika Paramacharya Swami, the first copy. Other cities sitting with us: Paris Home Temple, Astoria, New York, Colorado Springs, USA, Chorpati, Nepal, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Kathmandu, Nepal, Tiruvanmiyur, San Diego, Oceanside, Tallahassee, Florida, Oman, Sivagangai, Dubai, Indrani, New Jersey, New York, Varanasi, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Singapore, Singapuram, Washington, D.C., Sripuram, Washington, D.C., Meena Joshi, I wanted to request you, please send the thanking letter to the whole Capital Hills. Send a thanking letter and Bhagavad Gita book to everyone in Washington DC. Thank them for declaring Hinduism Awareness Month in California, and send them the Bhagavad Gita book. Enriching Temple Bididi, New Zealand, Wellington, New Zealand, Mumbai, Chembur, East London, UK, Warrington, UK, Charlotte, Srisailam, Varanasi, San Jose, Madurai, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Toronto, Kailasam, Houston, Kalahasti, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Calgary, Amarnath, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Vancouver, BC, Seattle, Chidambaram, Ohio, Prayag, and I think Sridhar's house, Sridhar IS, San Jose, yes, Prasanna and Ramachandran, right. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, I wanted to address the Los Angeles Nityananda Sangha. I wanted to share this few information with all of you. All of us know the value of Hindu identity we have. Please understand, we are just 1% of the population in US, but we are paying 10% of the country's taxes. This means we are the richest ethnic community in US, and our kids are highly intelligent, they excel in studies. We are the only ethnic community in US which does not have gangsters. And if there is an Indian settlement in anywhere in the US, that city becomes automatically crime-free, lowest crime rate, most stable family, and all the best things we are enjoying. We need to remember it is just because of our Hindu identity. Please understand, the values we learned from our parents, the basic mental setup, the basic scale with which we measure ourselves, we measure life, the basic beliefs we carry about us and world. This has really helped us to establish ourselves, to be successful, have all the best things of our life in US. And I really tell you, the NRIs, US Indian Hindus, you guys are the most fortunate people on the planet Earth, especially this generation, because you have best things of the inner world from India, Hindu tradition, best things of the outer world, the US infrastructure. You have both. I really request all of you to pass on this to your next generation. See, your next generation, surely they will have US infrastructure, no doubt. But will they have the Hindu inner infrastructure, which is the best inner infrastructure a human being can have? Please think about it. And it is we who need to take the responsibility for all the human beings to have best infrastructure, best inner infrastructure. Having the right ideas to reconcile with the reality when you face life is like a first aid kit. You understand? See how you need a first aid kit in your house for any emergency. Same way, you need a first aid kit inside your inner space. When the reality hits you hard, You need the right ideas to reconcile with life, reconcile with the depression, reconcile with the reality of life. So right spiritual ideas to reconcile with the reality of life is like a first aid kit. All of us need it. Hinduism gives that to all of us. Second, next thing, Hinduism really is the religion of celebration, festival, constantly creating a space for festival and celebration. No religion can have so much of celebrations. Just yesterday, I was sitting with our Stapadis and finalizing, fine-tuning the master plan of the Bangalore Nityanandeshwara temple. The deities and the celebrations we were calculating, in 365 days a year, we will be having festivals and celebrations for 310 days. I was shocked to know we are supposed to be now celebrating 310 days a year. Then understand the core message of our religion. It is all about festival celebration. Means the religion is based on creativity, life, love, laughter, singing, dancing, bliss, happiness. It is our responsibility to share, to radiate this with the whole world. See, seeing the cross on the neck, people recognize somebody as a Christian. Seeing the cap on the head, people recognize somebody as Muslim. Seeing the smile on the face, people should recognize you are a Hindu. Seeing the joy in your body language, seeing the completion in your inner heart, in your inner space, people should recognize you are a Hindu. I really wanted the whole US Sangha to take this next 1 month till December 27th, till the birthday, our Jayanti celebration. Please celebrate this season as enriching season. I really request, you see, all you devotees, whenever you meet somebody, it may be in your office, when you go to an airport, always carry some 10 Bhagavad Gita books. Give them one copy, present it. And just request them, please read it. Enjoy. You are not converting anybody. You don't need to be shy about it. You are not converting anybody. You are transforming. I also commit with all the devotees in US, any number of Bhagavad Gita books you want, please take it from the temple. The temple will facilitate you receiving any number of Bhagavad Gita books. We are continuously printing here and shipping. We need to awaken Indians to India, Hindus to Hinduism, and the whole humanity to the spiritual message of Hinduism, to the spiritual strength of Hinduism. And I also announce this next 2 months till the December 27th, we will have free yoga classes in as many parks, beaches as possible. So I'm very happy to give you one more announcement from Ma Snehamayi. Snehamai is sending a message. Already she received 16 calls for the Bhagavad Gita book, and calls are pouring in continuously. So today, just give a missed call and get a Bhagavad Gita book free. Whichever part of the world you are from, if you give missed call to these two numbers, the number of the ashram 08077779999 or the US number 510-813-6474. If you give a missed call today, whole day, you will receive free Bhagavad Gita book. So, call for your free copy of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you. And if you run hotels, motels, lodges, resorts, restaurants, hospitals, you can ask for Bhagavad Gita copies for all the number of rooms you have. If you have 1000-bed hospital, you can ask for 1000 copies of Bhagavad Gita. We will be happy to give you 1000 copies of Bhagavad Gita to keep it next to all the beds. If you have 1000-room hotel, you can ask for 1000 copies of Bhagavad Gita. You will be receiving all the 1000 copies. You can keep in all the rooms. Just like in many hotels, motels, they keep Bible, you can keep Bhagavad Gita. And you can also call our Nityananda Vedic Temple in LA, 909-625-1400. I'm announcing the number once more, 909-625-1400. You can call this number also to get your copy of Bhagavad Gita. Yes. I wanted to share this few information to the US Nityananda Sangha or US Hindus. I'll address the whole US Hindus. It is time that we get integrated to Hinduism. We become authentic to our life. We take responsibility for the Hindu tradition and we enrich the world with Hinduism. We should become integrated to Hinduism. We should become authentic to our life. We should take the responsibility for Hinduism. We should also enrich the world with Hinduism because we know the utility value of Hindu identity. And I am happy to announce Enriching Temple Bidadi has already received 145 calls for free Bhagavad Gita book. In just 10 minutes, आज से हम अगले एक महीने के लिए हिंदू धर्म के प्रति हमारा सम्मान प्रकट करने का उत्सव मना रहे हैं. आज के पूरे दिन जो भी हमें कॉल करेंगे उन्हें हम निःशुल्क एक भगवत गीता पुस्तक का उपहार देंगे. हमें कॉल करने का नंबर आपके टीवी स्क्रीन पे है 080-2727-9999 080-2727-9999. இன்று உலகம் முழுவதிலும் அமெரிக்க நாட்டின் கலிபோர்னிய மாகாணத்தின் அரசாங்கம் இந்து மதத்தை பற்றிய விழிப்புணர்வை ஏற்படுத்தும் மாதமாக அறிவித்திருப்பதனால் அதை கொண்டாடும் விதத்தில் உலகம் முழுவதிலும் இருக்கும் அன்பர்கள் யார் வேண்டுமானாலும் நம்முடைய ஆசிரமத்திற்கு ஒரு மிஸ்டு கால் கொடுத்தால் உங்களுக்கு பகவத்கீதை புத்தகம் இலவசமாக அனுப்பப்படும். நீங்கள் மிஸ்டு கால் கொடுக்க வேண்டிய எண் 08027279999. இந்த எண்ணிற்கு நீங்கள் மிஸ்டு கால் கொடுத்தீர்களானால் பகவத்கீதை புத்தகம் இலவசமாக உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி வைக்கப்படும். நீங்கள் ஹோட்டலோ அல்லது ரிசார்ட்டோ ரெஸ்டாரண்டோ மருத்துவமனையோ நடத்துபவராக இருந்தால் உங்கள் ஹோட்டல் அறைகளுக்கும் மருத்துவமனை படுக்கைகளுக்கும் கூட இலவசமாக எங்களால் பகவத்கீதை வழங்க முடியும். எனவே பகவத்கீதை வேண்டும் என்று நினைப்பவர்கள் இந்த எண்ணிற்கு தொடர்பு கொள்ளவும். இப்போதைக்கு ஆங்கிலத்தில் அளிக்கப்படும், கூடிய விரைவில் தமிழில் தயாரானவுடன் தமிழிலும் வழங்கப்படும். அடுத்த 2 மாதங்களுக்கு தொடர்ந்து இந்த பகவத்கீதை வழங்குவதை ஒரு சேவையாக நித்யானந்த தியானபீடம் எடுத்து செய்யவிருக்கின்றது. So you can call for your free copy of Bhagavad Gita in India at 9180. In India, if you want to call 9180-2727-9999. Los Angeles, if you want to call 909-625-1400. San Jose, if you want to call 510-813-6474. Los Angeles number I'll announce once more, 909-625-1400. You can call these numbers. You will be receiving free Bhagavad Gita books. Now I wanted to expand on this idea, integrating yourself with Hinduism means just basic few truths of Hinduism. Hinduism gives you the right introduction about you to you. No other religion introduces you so perfectly, beautifully to you. Somebody says you are a sinner, somebody says you are a slave, somebody says you are a follower. Hinduism beautifully introduces you to you. You are the source of the cosmos. You are the favorite inheritor of the cosmos. The first introduction Hinduism gives about you to you is the Upanishadic Rishi. Shrunmandu Vishve Amritasya Putraha Vedagameham Purusham Mahantam Aditya Varanam Tamasapparastat. He beautifully introduces, oh, sons of immortality, I know the truth. Please receive this truth and celebrate your life. Please understand, Vedic rishis are the most beautiful, courageous, bold people to tell the world, you are all sons of immortality. This is the best introduction you can have about you. Please integrate yourself to this best introduction. Beautifully, Mahanarayana Upanishad declares, Brahmanyam Bhaguputratam. I am the favorite inheritor of the cosmos. What an introduction to give to a human being about himself. Even when I remember, my eyes smile about this introduction. My whole being celebrates. What an amazing introduction a human being can have about himself. What a powerful introduction. You are not introduced to you as a sinner. You are not asked to repent. You are not asked to be a follower. You are not asked to be a slave. Nothing. The introduction about you to you is Brahmanyam Bhaguputratam, the favorite inheritor of the cosmos. There is no punishment in Hinduism. There is only prayaschitta, means aligning yourself back to your original state. Aligning yourself back to your original state. That's all. So, these basic few truths, integrate yourself to those truths. This is what I mean, integrating yourself with Hinduism. Next, becoming authentic to your life. Having the right, best identity about yourself, having the right identity to show you to the world, means right inner image and right outer image, and right life's image and right others' image. Having right inner image, outer image, others' image and life's image, based on the understanding given to us by the Vedic rishis, Kapila, Sri Krishna, Vyasa, in south, Jnanasambandar, Tirunavukarasar, Adi Shankara, having the right identity about us, inner image, having the right identity to project us to the world, outer image, having the best identity about the life and the world, life's image, and taking responsibility for the right other's image. Please understand, aligning yourself to these best images is bringing authenticity with the life and taking responsibility for Hinduism. Do not allow Hinduism to be misrepresented anywhere. Do not allow the false propaganda anywhere. Let us take the responsibility to give the right concepts, right understanding, and right propaganda. Let us not be irresponsible. Let us not think, no, if they abuse Hinduism, what is there for me? No. If your neighbor's house is burning, if you are keeping quiet, be very clear, you are planning for your house to get burnt in next few hours. Your keeping quiet is not going to save you, because the fire is going to come to your house. So, put the fire off while the fire is far away from you. We Hindus always think, if our butt is not burning, life is okay. Anything is okay. If our body is not burning, anything is okay. Even if the earthquake happens, the whole place where we are living is collapsed, we will first check the four legs of our cot. If that is stable, we will sleep back again. It's true. In an earthquake, one guy woke up. He saw all the neighbors' houses are all collapsed, demolished, chaos. He just saw his four legs of the cot. It was stable. He just pulled his blanket and started sleeping again. Now that is the way we Hindus behave. We are very irresponsible if our tradition is abused, disrespected, if a false information and false propaganda happens about our tradition, we do not care about it. It is time we become responsible for the next 2 months. Today is exactly 28th, till next 27, exactly 60 days. Let us take the responsibility that we should remove all the false propaganda and give the right information about Hinduism from the right context. Let us take the responsibility to enrich the world with the Hinduism from the right context. And the fourth thing, let us enrich the world with Hinduism by celebrating and radiating all the best things of Hinduism to the whole world. Please tell the whole world, enrich the whole world about the great spiritual strength of Hinduism. Enrich the world with this spiritual strength. Enrich the world with Hinduism for this next 2 months. Let us take this as enriching season. Apyayana Rutu. हिंदू धर्म आपको स्वयं का सबसे सुंदर परिचय देता है. हिंदू धर्म का महानारायण उपनिषद हमसे कहते हैं, ब्रह्मण्यम बहुपुत्रताम. आप ब्रह्मांड के सर्वप्रिय उत्तराधिकारी है. हिंदू धर्म आपको अमृतस्य पुत्रः इस अति सुंदर नाम से पुकारता है. आप अमरत्व के पुत्र है. इन सत्यों से परिचित होना, हिंदू धर्म को अपनाना है. फिर आपको अपनी सही छवि बनानी चाहिए, सही व्यक्तित्व बनाना चाहिए. स्वयं की सही भीतरी छवि, सही बाहरी छवि, सही जीवन की छवि, सही दूसरों की आपके बारे में छवि बनाना, यही श्रद्धापूर्ण हिंदू धर्म जीना है. हमें हिंदू धर्म का सही रूप से प्रदर्शित करने का उत्तरदायित्व उठाना चाहिए. Please understand, the beauty of Hindu Dharma is it can coexist with all the religions. It can coexist with all the traditions. We peace-loving people, we most happiest people, spreading peace, love, and festivity, celebration, bliss all over the world. So, today, let us take the oath. We will be in integrity with Hinduism, be authentic to Hinduism, and be responsible for Hinduism, enrich the world with Hinduism. And I have one more beautiful announcement. Already we received 300 missed calls to Enriching Temple for Bhagavad Gita. 300 missed calls. And it's beautiful to enrich the world with Hinduism. And the essence of today's satsang, be integrated to Hinduism, the most ancient spiritual tradition. Be integrated to the great truths of Hinduism. Be authentic to the great truths of Hinduism. Be responsible for the great truths of Hinduism. Enrich the whole world with the great truths of Hinduism. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.